Okay, now starts recording. So yeah, I'm we are fit to go. Now see, yesterday we had one class, right? We had one issue here. So what we issue we have? I can go to dev. This is my repository. I told you people to create one account in GitHub. Please do that. One account in GitHub and another account in Azure DevOps. That is Azure DevOps, and the third account in GitHub. GitHub, Azure DevOps, and that's it, I think. So see what I'll do actually. See, yesterday what I was doing. Okay, yesterday what I was doing, GitHub. I try to clone that same repository. Actually, there is an issue in that repository. Actually, I'll show you same thing from another repository. Actually, from demo fork or another any XYZ. Actually, any. So what I'll do, I'll clone this. Okay. If you people have doubt, don't hesitate to ask. You people can ask. So see what I'll do again, same method, folder here, this same saying clone. I'm naming here clone. Okay, I'm cloning here means I'm cloning this project from. So end to end, what you need to do, what you people need to do. This is my project. Okay, this is my project. So what I will do, I will deploy this in my. It can be a Docker, Kubernetes, or it can be a cloud. There are so many platforms where I need to deploy. Deploy means, what do you understand by deployment means? The time I'll click www.facebook.com or www.particular.that-application.com, it should open me in that page. So that is meant by deployment. For deployment, I need to write some kind of code, right? Without code, how I can build something? So what we are doing actually, we are pushing those code into a repo here. I'm going to create one project here. Again, last time I am demonstrating this is a clone project. Okay, we are going to get like this. We have to create one project here in Azure. It can be, see, as I told yesterday, it can be Azure repo, it can be GitHub. You can push to any platform. So I'm pushing to Azure repo. Now create one project. This project will be created. So what is our target actually? Our target is to clone the project here. The same project we need to push here. Why? Because after that we need to use this code for CI/CD, for continuous integration and continuous deployment. Okay, see, this will be like this. So I'll do like this. I'll open my boss share. It was share. So if I check a git status means I want you people to interact today. So you people will have idea today. See git status, why it's showing like this? Because this is not my repository now. So if I'll make a repository, then what will happen? Git init dot initialized empty repository. Now if I do git status means there will be nothing inside. Okay, there is a nothing inside. So what I'll do what I'll do now, I'll type this command git clone. What I'll do, like yesterday, I'll clone my project. Yesterday, I'll clone this full project. Whatever the project I have, did I see? I'll clone this project from here. Okay, this was the thing here. This is my URL of repository. This is my repository address. So I'll copy this project here and I'll do paste here. So there are so many extra things here. You people need to know what is the URL of that. So there are so many extra things here. You need to be careful about this. This is going to be forked now. See another thing. Yesterday itself as well. See what happened actually. This is pushed. This is pushed because this is a repository now. This is not a folder now. Means I cannot create two repository in one same folder, right? This is one repository. This is another repository. So what I'll do actually, I delete this one. Okay, I delete this one. Rest everything I'll kept same. Okay, now what I'll do, Actually, see where is my location now? PWD, present working directory, is inside clone. But where is my project actually? You see, inside clone I have a folder here, inside folder I have a project here, so I need to go here actually, other than going there. Okay, please, location is very important where you are working, the place of working area, that is called working area. So what I am doing now, again I am doing here, I am running git wash here. So if I check, again if I check git status, means it will show me so many complexions, there is nothing in the master. Why? Because this is not a repository. So what I'll do, I'll make this one git init, then this will become a repository. If I'll check a git status, means I can see the files here. Okay, I'm going little faster now, you people can understand, I think. So git add, I added this to a staging. Now git status, if I check, means I can see my tracked to untracked file now. Okay, now I'll do a git commit -m. Why -m? I, yeah, to add the text to remember this commit. It's not like something I add xyz to remember my clone. Okay, this is my commit clone. Okay, good. So this is like this, I'm done here. So git status, if I'll check, means I can check there is nothing in my branch. If I check a git log here, means I already showed these things to you people, actually should not be confused. See, this is my log, this is my thing here. I want to check the recording actually, whether this is getting recorded or not. Oh yeah, this is getting recorded. So what I'll do now, as I told that day, I'll make a remote connection now with, okay, so right click, paste here. You need to be careful about extra things. Okay, extra so many things, like git remote add origin, this is okay, everything is okay. Git push I can do. He will ask for the credential actually. Okay, he will ask your credential, what is your username and password of, because you are making remote connection, as I told you, right? You are making remote connection of this server. This is a server repository with remote one, with another one. So you need a connection, right? How it will talk to, if you don't have a mobile phone, how will talk to your girlfriend? Something like this. You need a communication channel, right? You need, and what is your, you need a network. From network you can connect, right, each other. Source is your mobile phone. Simple logic. So you see, you people can see here, see I got each and everything here. I still I'm not able to clone that same repository. Okay, still I'm not clone possible to clone, because that is so big actually, that actually what I noticed here, this is okay. Now this is my cloned repository, right? Yesterday I did the same actually. So okay, but what I did actually, I forgot to delete the clone, because there was two repositories. See what happened yesterday actually, if you people see, there was a two here, git two repo on a same folder is not possible actually. See, each and everything you people can check here. So this was my thing yesterday actually. See why I taught you this thing. In end to end we are not going to work with the repository which is already built. Okay, in very less case scenario we are going to work like this. So what we are going to work, what will be our target actually? See, let me give you a glimpse here, so you people are getting confused here a little bit. See, our main target, actually I got this question from I got this thing from Prashant. He was a little confused actually. See, thing is, what we doing, what is our main final target? Okay, I want to make one application for HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank came to me and he said, I want, please build one SMS app for me. SMS app, that is application. This is application. What is our final target? If I open this SMS application, it should open. Okay, so what we need to do first? We need to develop the code, right? We need to develop the code. We need to develop the code, right? First we will develop the code, and after developing the code, we will push what we did. We pushed this code to a repository, that is, it can be a github, it can be a github, or it can be a azure repo. Okay, or it can be a Azure repo. We can push to anyone. And what is this GitHub and Azure repo, please? Anybody? This is a version control system, BCS, source code management repository, can say. Okay, we push the code. Now what we will do, our next target will be to build the CI/CD. Next target will be build the CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous deployment. I'm not going here till now. Okay, it will take time. Actually, another 2 or 3 lecture I will be here. So see what we will do. From code we will push the CI/CD, and then afterward we will, there is so many things inside as well. Just giving you overview. Our final target is to build the application and to run the application. So we are in this stage now. We are here. What we did, we built it the code, we developed the code, and then after we pushed the code to Azure repo. So you can see from here. If you can see here, if you can see here, okay, not here actually, here. If you can see here, we built it the code and we pushed the code here. Okay, this was my thing. Now again, I want to go to my syllabus now. What is my next syllabus actually? What I need to teach you to you people. See, syllabus 3. This is my next thing actually. See, this is done. This is done too. Version control is done. Branching. You people need to know about this. Working area, staging area, local repository. What is remote? There is a each and every command written here. I'll share to you people actually after completing Git and GitHub. Git status, Git add, Git commit, Git remote URL, Git remote push origin. Why we add Git remote clone to clone the repository locally? What is the difference between Git and GitHub? What is untracked and tracked file? Now I'm going to go with the branching now. I'm going to go with the branching now. Why we need branching now? So thing branching means, see, why we need branching actually. Before that I need to talk about 3 things actually. See, branching will be something like this. Please go through this diagram. Please take a look on this. Okay, so see now, branching. Why we need branching? See, whether you are a developer, whether you are a DevOps engineer, whether you are working in a front end, whether you are working in a database, whether you are working in XYZ, basically whether you are working in IT. Okay, you people need to have a knowledge of Git and GitHub version control system. This is mandatory and this is a basic milestone for a software engineer. Okay, whether you are a developer, any kind of engineer you are, you need to have a knowledge of this. Don't think like I'm learning DevOps, so for me it's not mandatory to learn this one. If you are working as a developer, you need to push the code to actually in end to end. See, you need to push the code to a repository in end to end. In end to end, developer will do these things actually. We'll go get a code here. So whatever the thing I'm doing here, in most of the cases actually we won't do this. But what we will do, we will create the branching strategy now. Whatever the branching strategy, whatever the thing I'm going to teach you now, we are going to create this one. But you might ask why I wasted my time here then. Because you need to have a basic understanding, right, how I'm pushing the code. If you won't understand, means if someone asks you to push the code, that is a basic. If you people won't understand that thing, then it will be difficult for you to survive there. That is a thing. And yeah, this is the thing actually. So now what I'm going to do actually, now coming to branching here. See, again, now I'm going to old style methodology, that is my paint section. So see, control V. You people need to see branching at a time of deployment, production server, or can say deployment. Please learn some technical term. These are the technical term. Now I'm not going to talk like +2 student or like engineering student or something. I'll talk technically now. Okay, so you people need to talk technically actually. So branching at the time of deployment means production server. There will be 3 scenario here. Branching at the time of development, branching at the time of troubleshooting means if you have any kind of problem, how we are going to do the branching. And another will be at the time of deployment, how we are going to do the branching at the time of deployment. So I am going with the first case now. See, what is our final target? Our final target is to build a SMS app. We are building here SMS app. This is our final target. Okay, SMS app we are building here. I need to increase the font so you people can see. So our final target is to build one SMSF. So how we are going to build? As I told, as a developer is going to build the code. Okay, developer is going to build the source code. Actually, source code will be pushed like this. I'm not going in the middle now. There will be a branch here. I so many time there is a branch here. See, so many time I told master. This is called branch. Actually, branch means, so I'm giving a case for at the time of development. See, at the time of development, what will happen? Actually, this developer, this developer, this will be a developer. Okay, I'm just writing a dev. This will be a developer. Actually, these are developer. What developer will do? Developer will build the code. See, my requirement is to build the SMS app. I'm just giving you example that include 10,000 pages. Okay, this application is of 10,000 pages. So inside pages there will be so many codes. You people can understand that, right? So thing is, so what I'm doing, whatever the code I'm building here, whatever the code developer is building here, he's pushing that to a master. What we did here, see what we did, we pushed the code to a master. See, if you can go to this project, clone project, repos. Okay, if you can see, can you people see here, master is my branch. Okay, master is my branch. So whatever the code I sent it, that is passed to a master branch. Okay, so what I'll do actually, so see now, in end to end, what developer will do, developer will pass the code from a master branch to a SMS app, that is a production actually. Okay, see, thing is, suppose he have developed around, I'm taking example, around 1,000 pages till here. Okay, 1,000 pages here. And what one of the developer did, he pushed the wrong code here. Okay, he pushed the wrong code here. And see, if you push the wrong code means there will be a problem in building, right? There will be a problem in building. How you will build? How our final job is to build the 10,000 pages, right? If there is a wrong code inside, there is something wrong here, how we will be able to build? So that is the one problem. So how we can come overcome from this problem? What we can do, another way of working actually. So see, another disadvantage what it can be at the time of the development, we are building from scratch, right, from abcd. So what this can do, maybe this can change the previous build code as well, because this is the wrong code, right? Because this will integrate with the previous build code, right? Then we are going to develop the application. So this is the first case. My voice is not audible. Just a second, Prashant. Wait for 1 minute actually. Now is it audible? Prakash, can you confirm? Or Vikas? Hello? Am I audible now? Hello? Yeah. Okay. So see, you people understood, right? So thing is, it's going to be like this. Actually, by mistake, I don't know how it muted automatically. It got muted. So see, there is a possibility. Whatever the bug we are fixing here, whatever the bug means, this is a problem here, right? Whatever the wrong code we are fixing here, that can change the previous build as well. See, now work of 1,000 pages. Developer have built 1,000 pages. It will take at least 10 to 15 days. Am I audible? Hello? Who's there? So see, I have built it 10,000 pages, 1,000 pages already. I built it 1,000 pages already, and that all work will become my zero. That will become zero, and that is a big problem. I'm wasting my resources, as I told so many times. I'm wasting my resources. If I'm wasting my resources, I'm wasting my company's money, time as well. So this is a disaster for the company. So what I'll do, I have another case here. So what I'll do to overcome this, not to have this type of problem, I'll create, see, I build it 10,000 pages, I build it 1,000 pages, I will keep like this. Okay, you are not able to see the screen as well, just a second please. It reconnected again, I think. Then uh now is it possible? Now I think it's sharing, right? Yeah. So yeah, so thing is, see, because of IPL, this Geo network is becoming very bad. So see, what I have another choice to fix this bug, to build, at the time of deployment, what we will do actually, see, I made 10,000 pages already, 1,000 pages I built already. So what I'll do, at the time of creating this another page, what I'll do, before that, I'll give a branch to a developer one. Branching strategy is very, very, very important. You people are going to start work from here. This is your ABCD. So what I'm going to do actually, so I'm going to give the branch to a developer, ABC. Here I'm going to give a branch to a developer. So I'll tell him, so whatever the code we are building here, see, in application there will be so many things, right? OTP transfer, there will be so many things. Okay, something we are building for OTP transfer, we are something building for OTP transfer, we are building code for OTP transfer. So I'll tell them, please do one thing, build code by yourself, build code here in the branch. Okay, build code here in the branch. And after building code, okay, after building code, I'll check actually. So what they can do here, see, what they can do, whatever the code they want to build here, they will build here in the branch. This is called branch, this is a different branch, this is not a master branch. You can name this branch anybody, like build branch. Okay, I'm naming this one a build branch. This is a build branch. So if suppose number two developer have written the code, and that is okay, because we can test this code as well. We can test, we can do each and everything from here itself. We no need to go to master branch. If I'm 100% sure my code is okay, then what I'll do, I'll merge the code to a master, and then my this will be built. Okay, you understood? Again, same thing I'll do here, same thing I'll do here, same thing I'll do here. So what, I will not work on a master, I'll create one branch and I'll work here. Okay, this is first thing. At the time of troubleshooting, what will happen? Troubleshooting means, troubleshooting at the time of troubleshooting means my, see, the time people talk about troubleshooting, you people need to understand what do you mean by troubleshooting. See, my application are running, my application was running, cannot say run, was running, but I had a problem here actually. I had some kind of bug, because of that there is a downtime here, my application is not working, I'm feeling some kind of problem. What kind of problem? My, all the everything is working, other than OTP is not working, I'm not able to send the OTP to my mobile phone. So because of that, customer are facing problem. People will ask you this question as well in interview, what troubleshooting you have done, what kind of troubleshooting you have done. This is one type of troubleshooting, this is just the example, something like that. So I'm not able to access my OTP. So what I'll do actually, as a developer, I will know, I'll go to my codes, where is the problem, I'll find out there. And I will not work here, I will not work on a master. If I'll work on a master, what will happen? See, I'm working on a, see, I have a pipe here, I have my water pipe here. If I have a leakage here, you know, if I have a leakage here, if I'll do something here, if hello, yeah, anybody want to speak? See, continuous flow, something like, see, continuous flow, right? Continue, there is a continuous flow here. There is a continuous flow here. If I'll do some kind of, things here, water won't come here. So this is the thing. So in this case as well, what I'll do actually, I'll create one branch here. I'll create one branch here. Whatever the bug, whatever the copy of that, whatever the copy of that previous build, whatever the thing I have, that will come here in my branch, and I'll fix that. Okay, I'll fix this. And after fixing this, what I'll do again, I'll merge this. After 100% of confirmation, I'll merge this one here, and my application will start working. Why I did this? Because I don't want more downtime, I don't want more thing, more whatever the another application, whatever the another function of application to be affected. If I'll do something here, it might change something here as well. Okay, if I'll do something here, it might change another thing as well, so that is a problem again. At the time of troubleshooting also, I'll create a branch. So there is a lot of see, at the time of deployment as well. Another thing is at the time of production. Who is coming this time? Okay, so what I'll do actually, at the time of production as well, I can do. At the time of production means, see, what do you mean by production actually? This is yes, please go on. No, no. See, hmm, I need to repeat again then. Anybody? Anybody? Any other another doubt? See, what I told you here, there is a two, three things. In end to end, there will be a truth. Actually, see, what do you mean? Let me answer this one first. What do you mean by production? What do you mean by production? Production means, I'm talking as a DevOps engineer's term. Okay, production or deployment means, production and deployment is different. Production means, suppose I want to build, as I said, right, I want to build one SMS app services. I want to build one SMS services means this is already working. This application is already in running state. But see, as a DevOps engineer, there will be a pipeline here, right? Developer code, CI/CD, infrastructure. There will be so many things in the middle, right? We cannot lead that thing, right? There will be a continuously see, as I told again, um, in any software, what you will have: front end, back end, and please, I want you people to talk. Front end, back end, and DB database. I taught this thing already. In front end, there will be a different language. In back end, there will be a different language. In database, there will be a different thing. To manage front end, back end and database, we need a pipeline, right? We need a pipeline to manage this, because see, people are coming here every day. People will come here, right? People will come here every day. People will come here, right? Their data will come, right? Every day people will log in into this SMS application. Every day people will come, people will make changes, they will fill the form. If they fill the form means, what will happen? Data will generate. If someone click on somewhere, they need you. Front end means user interface. People can see, what they want to see. They need to see. If they want to configure the they want to see, this is my front end actually. Front end of what? Google Meet. I can see the front end of Google Meet. This is front end of my Google Meet, right? If I want to change in this in the future, so I need to have a pipeline here, right? I need to have a pipeline. So this is called production actually. Production means this is working condition, in working condition. So if I do some changes here in at the time of production, this is my production pipeline. My code is running good, everything is going good. Something like, okay, water is flowing good. Water is flowing from the pipeline. Okay, if I'll do some kind of changes, if I'll break something, the water will flow. Some amount of water will be lost. Okay, water will be lost. So something like this, if I'll do some kind of changes, it might happen, it will happen, this OTP won't work, or some other kind of function won't work. You understand this? First, what I want from you people, I want you to learn, I want you people to go to a topic, why we need DevOps or cloud. What is the function of that? Okay, I want you people to explore a little bit on that. And another thing, so what we are doing here, so other than not to disturb the production server, okay, we cannot do changes here in the master. If we do changes in the master, so if we do any problem here, other than fixing that problem, if that problem become big, that will be in the production server actually. See, that will go into the production. And this will affect, as I told you, right? If you are wasting some other people's time, means you are wasting resources, you are wasting money. This is a problem actually. So we cannot do that. So to fix this bug, what I can do, I can create one master branch. Means I can create one branch to create the branch. So whatever the content I have here, this will be copied here in my master, in my normal branch, whatever the name I give to this branch. Suppose I gave this branch xyz, and whatever the thing I need to fix, what I need to fix, OTP, my OTP is not working, something like that. If my OTP is not working, I will fix this one here, I will fix this OTP here in my this branch, and I'll make double sure this should work. Then I will resend, merge, this is called merge, technical term is merge this to a master, and my OTP will start working. If I'll start making changes here itself in the master itself, there is a chances this might work or it can affect another, because I'm changing in the production, right? I'm changing in the production. If I make changes here, this will be a problem here, this can be a big problem here. This is my first case. What is the second case? At the time of development, see what we are doing, as I told, right? What we people are doing, we are building the code. Okay, our final target is to build something, build some application or build something. I'm just giving example here. Suppose we are building SMS application here, SMS app here. Okay, so something we are building here, SMS application we are building here. This is a thing here, SMS application we are building. How we will build? See, in any software, yesterday itself I told you people, in any software there will be a things here. What there will be a things means, there will be a source code. Okay, this is technicality of any or library file or configuration file, config file, or some kind of a dependency. This all together will make one software. There will be a dependency here. So this will be the thing, source code, library, configuration, dependency will all together will make a one what? Software. Okay, all together. See, this is my package, this is my build. The time I'll teach you people CI/CD, continuous integration and deployment, you people need to, you people will understand. Means my, this is my SMS application. Indirectly my SMS application is source code, library file, configuration and dependency. So what I'm going to do here, source code, I'm going to get the source code from where? Developer is going to develop the code, right? I need to make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 like this, then I'll reach to 10,000 pages. So at the time of building this, see, I have a one option, either I'll build, what I'll do, actually, see, while you are making any ball, you people are making one ball, right? What you people are doing, you people are making, you people are bringing brick here, one brick here, something like this. You people are bringing one brick here, another brick here, another here, something like this. You are building, right? You are taking from another place, right? You are taking from another place, you are making sure that that fits, you are making double sure that fits here, size is proper, everything is okay, that fits here, that is proper, right? Then you are merging that, right? Then you are putting that on a ball, something like this, to merge the code into a ball, into a master. This is our master branch where we are building our code. You need to be double sure whether my code is okay or not. Otherwise, as I told you people, whatever the code you made before, whatever the code build you made before, that can change previous build code, and that will be a problem here. You have to start all over again then. Okay, you have to start all over again, then it will be a problem for you people. Okay, this is the thing. So not to happen this, what I will do, I'll create a branch here. Suppose I want to make, I already built it 1000 code. I gave you people example. Suppose I build it already, I build it 10,000 pages, 1000 pages. My target is to build 10,000 pages of SMS application. This is my target, not target actually. Because of this application will run, and it will run where? In production server. See, you people need to understand the technicality. Please understand the technicality now. I'm not going to talk like engineering student now, or +1 +2 student now. So see, the time I'll merge the code here, I need to be double sure whether my code is working or not. If my code is not working, I will never merge that code. Okay, so I'll put the branch here. So whatever the code I need to make, I'll build the code here. At the time, this is at the time of development, I'll make the code here, whatever the, okay, I'll make one branch here, XYZ. And what I'll do, actually, I merge the code here. After making double sure this is working, so I'll merge the code here. I'll send the code here. Okay. This is all together this one. So now I am going to practical actually, so you people can understand better actually. So practical means how we are going to do. So see, in branches, see, this is a master, this is a bug fix, this is a feature, something like this. See, in the end, suppose I took something from here, I'll merge this one here. Each and everything I'll merge into a master. Master means we are building one package here in a master. See, I am now taking example here. See how we are going to do with the master now. Okay, this is my okay, this is clone project. This is done. Okay, this was about yesterday's. Now see what I'm going to do. Actually, I'm creating one folder again. This is a revision for you people. Okay, I'm giving name branch. Okay, again revision for you people. Okay, so what I'll do, see, again I'll right click here, git bash here. Then if I check here, ls means there will be nothing here. But see, I don't have anything. First command is git init, initializing the repository. I initialize the repository. If I check ls here, there won't be anything. But if I check ls hyphen a, that will show me hidden file. There will be a dot init. This is a repository now. So I'll create 3 4 files here. 3 4 file is means suppose developer. Okay, code. This is a code here. This code is written by a developer. I'll copy this same. Now you people are understanding little bit, right? You people should understand now. See, I have, you people need to notice, I have till 3, copy 3, till copy 3 I have. So again, like yesterday what I did, the same I'll do. Git add, I need to check the git status first. See, there will be a 3. This is called untracked file. Git add again, this will be a git add. Then again, please don't hesitate to check the status, so you people will notice this is from untracked to tracked now. Now I need to do a git commit. See, I was talking about branch, master, master, master. See where I am right now. You people need to notice I am in a master branch now. Please notice this. I am in a master branch now. Hyphen M. Hyphen M is to, this is a branch commit. I need to write master branch commit. Okay. This is my master branch commit and I committed. If I check a git log means I can see. If I check a status here means, if I check a git status means I won't be able to see the, okay, this is my thing. See, if I check a git branch means this is a command here. I have written each and everything here. You know, people no need to stress here. See, I have written each and everything. I have written each and everything. So you people just need to go here and copy and paste. But please don't just copy and paste. And you people can go through here and I have written each and everything. See, we'll create new branch with a given name. Okay, branch will be switched to a bug fix. To delete the branch, each and everything I have written. So you no need to stress. You people no need to stress. But you people need to understand why we are doing this. Okay, see, there is only one branch. So what I'll do now, please notice this. Let me clear this first. Okay, I mean from git branch, if I type git branch means I can see the list of branch. Can you see a star here? Star here means I have only one branch and I am in a master now. What I'll do now, I'll create one branch. Command is git branch. I'll create one bug fix. Something like XYZ bug fix. I'm just giving a name, naming convention. Okay. So I did a bug fix. Now can you see? I'm in a master. But if I'll check with the arrow, you can switch to a previous commands, previous used command. So see, now I'm in a master, but I have a two branch here. One is a bug fix, another one is a master. Now what I want actually, I want to switch to I'm in master now. Can you see the star here? Star will denote which branch you are in. So what I'll do, I'll switch to a bug fix now. Okay, switch to a bug fix now. So what I'll do, there is a command for this. Git checkout means name of the branch, bug fix. So if I'll type this one, see, error did not match any file known to a git. Okay, git checkout. What is the problem here? Oh, okay, 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 thank you. Actually otherwise I would have spent it. Yeah, see, bug fix. Okay, by mistake I have written this bug fix. Okay, now it will be switched to this one. Now see, git branch I can check. So now I shifted to a, it was meant to be bug fix, but okay. So see, now see, I changed to this branch. So what I did actually, what I'm doing here, see what I'm doing here, what I'll do. Okay, I have a master branch here. Okay, I created one bug fix, I created one branch here. Okay, what I'll do, I'll create a content here on this branch. I won't create a content here on this branch. Okay, I will create a content here on this branch, and I'll merge the changes here. In end to end you are going to work like this. Okay, so see the changes here. So see, bug fix, now I'm in a bug fix now. So if I make something, so see, so I need to go to technical T is working area. I need to go to working area. See, till copy 3, these code are in master branch. Please notice this. Okay, these code are in master branch. If I'll copy from here, if I'll copy from here, okay, control C, control V, whatever the copy code will be in, whatever the copy code, those will be in bug fix branch. Okay, please check git status again. And another thing I want to show you people, see, this is a working area, right? This is a working area, and I am in bug fix branch. Okay, so whatever the content I have in a working area, I can see from bug fix branch. Now I'm in a bug fix branch. If I'll go to a master branch, I can see the same content again, untracked content again, whatever the code there again from the master as well, from the bug fix as well, until and unless I no do any staging. Please notice this thing. Okay, to justify this, I'll go to a git checkout. I'll go to a git checkout and I'll check out to a master. See, now I'm in a master branch. Now I'm in a master branch. If I type a git status here, if I'll do a git status here, you people can see. See, from master branch as well, I can see. Okay. So, but I have to git checkout again. Okay, this is my thing actually. See, I switched to a branch. If I check a git status means this will show again git add. You people need to be pro now. Actually, you people need to understand now because I taught already. So git status means you people can see the git status here. Now git commit -m. So I can see here what I need to show you to you people. This is my commit for this is my commit for bugs fix. Okay, so I'm able to see. If I'll check a git log here now, people please notice this. See, git log, one commit I made for a bug fix and another I made for a master. Okay, another I made for a master. See, now I'm in a bug fix. Okay, now I'm in a bug fix. I'll do 1 to 1 first. Okay, I have a time, I think I have 7 minutes now. So see, I'll do a bug fix. What I'll do actually, again I have to make a remote connection. This is a repetition again and again. Now you people should understand very comfortable. You should need to be very comfortable here. Now new project I'll create. Okay, this was my previous clone project. Okay, now this is a branch project. Okay, this is my branch project. I'll teach you end to end 10 project, at least 10 projects, so you people will understand the integration. Actually, this is just the beginning. So whatever I'm doing, whatever I'm teaching, just follow only that. Otherwise you people will be confused actually what's going on here. Okay, so I'll merge this, whatever the I'll add this one. You people should have idea now. Okay, so right click here, paste here. Yeah, again, why it's not getting pasted? See, maybe I didn't copied. Okay, so see, let me clear this one first, otherwise people will be confused. Right click here, paste here, control C and control B, command won't work here, and please. Okay, so I pushed the changes. See, please notice this thing, I pushed the changes of bug fix. It should show me a bug fix, not master branch. See, now can you see here branch here? Okay, this is my master branch, but there will be a bug fix. If I'll go to a master, I did one. See, these are the changes, right? See, whatever the master branch, whatever the content we had, I told you people copy 3 until copy 3 master branch, and until copy 7 whatever the copy I did, that is, see, different branch. Now I have a content in different branch. Okay, so now what I'll do actually, I'll create a content, whatever the content I have created, I'll merge that to a master branch. Okay, I'll merge this to a master branch. Okay, if I'll check a git status here, there won't be anything because I already pushed, so I cannot make the changes now. Okay, so I cannot do the merge now because I already pushed this to a repository, right? I pushed this to a repository. So do that, to do that, what I need to do, so what I'll do now, okay, from copy 7 I'll do, please notice, from copy 7 I'll do till copy 15, copy 15 or 16, what I'll do actually, again I'll do same thing. I'm in a bug fix now. I'll create this content from bug fix to master. I'll merge this content. Okay. Git status now. If I'll check again, git add, again git status now, again git commit -m. This is my merge commit. This is my merge commit. Okay. So what I'll do actually, see, this is my before committing. Before committing, what you need to do? Git merge. See, another thing. So you people are merging, this is very important, you people are merging this bug fix here in the master. So before that, before merging this content here, you people need to switch to a master. Please notice this thing. Okay, you people need to switch to a master, whatever the content you people are out, okay, to a master. If you git checkout means it will be git, if I check git branch means I don't have much time, that's why I'm going a little bit faster. I can send recording to people. Now I'm in master here. So what I'll do, git merge, I'll do git merge source. What is my source? Source is my bug fix to a destination. Destination is master. Source to a destination. Please notice this thing. Source to a destination. See what happened here? Can you see the changes? 14 changes. I made a merge here. This is merge here. So what I'll do now, I'll push git push this to a origin master. If I'll push this to origin master, I can see the changes reflecting here. Okay, I can find the changes, whatever the changes I made, that will be in my, see, you need to change the branch here, that will be shown here. See, can you see, you people, what is there? Commit, this is my merge commit. So whatever the code I built it, what I did actually, whatever the code I built it from the bug fix, I pushed all those, I merges all those into a mastered. Okay, any question there? I went little faster. I'll repeat this at the time of project as well. I need to repeat this, so don't stress yourself. Okay, don't stress yourself. And yeah, okay. So any question? Yeah, any question? Want to ask something? Think. See, as a DevOps engineer, what you need to do actually? As a DevOps engineer, you need to think on your back of your head actually, all the time, all the time. Think. Make your story by your own way. Make your story. If you have a doubt, you ask. If you have a doubt, you ask. Okay, something like this. Then configuration will go in your mind. Okay, this is the thing, what we are doing, what we need to do. Slowly it will build. It will take time actually. See, nobody is going to give you, if you have 5 years of experience, your package will be around 20 to 25 lakh. in DevOps and cloud. Okay, nobody's going to give you like this. You need to have a knowledge, you need to have understanding. Okay, so if you have, see, I told you so many time, I told so many time to you people, if you people have doubt, please ping me on WhatsApp. Okay, I'm ready to help. What I want you people to stress yourself, ask me question, no problem, I'll answer you. Okay, so I'm closing here now. I have another class actually. Okay, so take care everybody. And tomorrow, see, sorry, tomorrow we will not have any class. Tomorrow is a